there was no tall guy, so it wasn't really interesting.
So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate all your efforts towards supporting this channel to grow. I really appreciate. I'm not taking it for granted. So if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video whenever you come across my video, or if you choose or anyone that interests you, please. Okay guys, I just dropped from the bus and right here, but it's somewhere there. So this is the Lufasi Park. So this is where I am. I think this should be the entrance. So let me go inside and see how it is. Possibly, let's see if they allow me for the camera. If not, that means I'll go with my phone. So let me just go there and see how it is. Okay. That's it. Oh, I forgot to put the time post. Let me see how. Just the entrance.
This is my first time flying the
Same here, oh my dear.
So this is your first time? Just walking through this. You see the water there. But I don't know, is this water really just water form on its own or not? I'll ask this guy to explain to me.
Alright, this is a small lake called Lake Nora. Lake Nora, not a natural lake, but man-made lake, was named after my chairman's late mom. Okay, we have the big lake called
climbing a bridge.
Okay, and they don't come out during the day. It's only at night where everywhere is calm and quiet because they are very shy. Once they see human like this, they roll like a ball and hide. Why? The fact is that humans are eating them as bush meat, and they are catching them, sending them to taking them to the Asia country for Chinese. So Chinese are the people using their scale, as I said, and their fingernails for what? Traditional medicine. And if any government should see you with this pangolin, they're going live imprisonment. Okay, because if they are one ant on head, what happened? More ants and termites, and it's going to be a challenge for we humans living on it. Okay, and the pangolin, they are not much. The fact is that their reproduction is very slow. It's not the male that goes after the female, it is the female that goes after the male. And one pangolin give birth once in their entire life, not just one baby, till they die. You can even see that's why we are protecting. And we have about 8 pangolins inside here preserving, okay, so that they can give us that one baby. Alright, so let's go this way.
You don't get to see them. No, it says it's only
They are
shy.
inside. Yeah, they only come out at night. That's why please we should stop eating the pangolin. And one pangolin, because of the money involved, people are coming to Nigeria to cash. One pangolin is like over $10,000 US. You can see. So that's why please let's protect the pangolin life, and we should stop eating pangolin, please. That's why humans are separating the mom and the baby. The mom and the baby start crying to God for rescue. They prayed and sang the song that says, Our Father who art in heaven, look at us, humans are eating us. God, I've been a loving father and I say, oh my pangolins, oh my pangolins.
Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Daddy, I'm fine, Daddy, you know that we saw a donkey, horse, and
Donkey.
Okay. coming up from the big lake that we are going to come out. After seeing the tree, now turn around like this.
Okay, this is the Eki tree now.
No, this is the part. Yes.
So guys, this will be an adventure. This will be an adventure.
All right, actually, this is the tree, the Eki tree. This tall one is the Eki tree. We are going to see the trunk of it, how it big, okay? How big it is. Then over 300 years plus, okay?
That tree.
Yes, this particular one, we have more of it in the forest, okay? So let's All right, now look at this platform. This is a watchtower, okay? So we are constructing 3 watchtowers that people will climb to view the forest and enjoy part of the forest bathing. And we want to be setting the camera track to track the birds and the animals that we have here at night so that people can be seeing them. It's ongoing, okay? All right, so this way. Okay, as I said, that the first bathing where
So guys, look at where I am.
Did you see it? All right, the Eki tree, known as red ironwood tree. Okay,
Oh, it's so-
reddish
it's
in
so
color when
tall.
being cut.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh. It's
so
so
during the
big.
rainy season, I mean the dry season, whenever it's dry, I do those clothes and then I not cute. I hate it. You know, that's what I do anywhere I go. So when I'm exploring, I see trees. Like, whoa, big. Let's call it mosaics. The way I shall come to.
So guys, let's go to another part of the adventure. It's really amazing, guys. Inside the forest, look at me. Look at me. It's really amazing.
With many days because of human killing them for bushmeat and also Lagos state government destroying the forest, building of estates and companies, they are now extinct out of Lagos. I do feel sorry and mourn this animal. I cry whenever I'm taking a tour and reaching this point. Do you know how I cry? This is how I cry. I put my hands on my head. I feel sorry. This is how I cry. Hey, ya, oh. Hey, ya.
It's like
This way.
masses.
Finally, we are at the big lake called that is the second platform, the watchtower there, ongoing. The third one is over there. Yes, that is the Eki, EKK high. Known as the red ironwood tree, reddish in color, is the wood tree that is used in constructing bridges and ships in the ocean. The nail can't enter it like that easily. If you now want to Google it, Google it, just say red ironwood tree, this is the Eki tree. So we are done for the talk.
This leaf is always found at the riverine
Yes, river line.
area.
The swampy area.
The swampy area most.
Then I was talking about.
Yes, yes.
And the work of it is to purify the air.
The what?
The work of it is to purify the air.
The air.
Yes.
Oh.
So, you know, to purify the air, it cleans the air.
Okay.
Yeah, makes the hair clean. Give us the fresh air that we breathing off.
That is really man-made. I saw it.
Yeah,
The first time I
yeah.
saw it, I was like, is it
The
natural?
duck. No, it's still man-made. The duck and the goose.
Okay.
Yeah, that white one is the goose. So let's see the duck. Duck is the Like the horse, the one horse that we go on horse ride.
Okay. Are you going on a horse ride?
Yeah, you're free. If the guy is there, you can go to him and ask
Okay.
him to go on horse ride free of charge.
Oh.
Okay.
They are still here?
That's the junior.
Okay. Is this one, you see? What is this?
Donkey,
This is donkey. And the other one is
the horse.
the horse.
Yeah, horses.
Oh, okay.
Horses stable. You can see one of the horses, the
Yes,
neck
I
of
can
it.
see it there.
Those are special horses, very huge
And
and big.
high.
Yes, high. Those are special horses that is used for polo sports. Yeah, the donkeys.
This one is
these are
donkey?
donkeys. Yes, African wild donkeys.
okay.
So donkeys are actually going into extinction generally in on hate.
Okay.
Okay, and the donkeys, these African wild donkeys.
Can I touch it?
Yes, you're free. Come this way.
It won't.
No, no, no.
Okay, guys, let me just touch it.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, let me help you.
Oh.
Yeah, these are friendly ones.
Okay.
So we rescue these ones
Right.
for people to see, to know what we are doing in Lufasi Nature Park.
Okay. This is really amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, guys, this way I am.
Anyedi Abbas life in Lufasi Park.
Your name?
Anyedi Abbas,
Anyedi Abbas.
meaning who is God.
Okay. Who is God?
Yes.
Okay. I'm Ogeri Ume.
Ogeri,
Ume, yes. Known as Ogeri Views.
which means what?
Ogeri Views, that is my channel name.
Okay, okay,
Views.
okay, please.
Yes, Ogeri Views. It's really an amazing place to come and relax.
Yeah, this
Honestly.
is where all these rich people in Lagos come to relax. I know this must be these ambassadors.
Yeah,
So you get connected with them.
really
You
amazing.
know, I told you something about some these places I don't even know that you have your own trips and everything.
Mm.
You know, so
Table tennis.
I don't hear that.
Lot of things here, guys. A lot inside this place. So let me just see this one. I think that is alright.
That's actually the guy
Okay.
here on the horse ride. So we want to go on it.
Outside, I won't go.
No,
It's really scary.
Okay, yeah.
Like, I tried it at the beach, but
Okay.
couldn't get myself. Wow.
So
Where is this place? Okay, this guy says somewhere there. He said that I should just come and get myself down there. So let me just check out what they have there. This lady. Actually, the guy said I should get something for him, so I just gave him a little thing to, to cool his body for. So let me just see what they have there and go. This girl, just a bottle of water is okay for me. Where is this lady? She's still. She was somewhere here. She was somewhere here. Let me just get something and see if something cool for myself. Yeah. Hello. Yes. Do you have anything like cool stuff here? Cool drink.
What we sell here is just palm wine.
How is the palm wine?
700.
Keep my camera this side. It's 700. My money is finished. Let me give you transfer. The transfer. Can I finish this thing? And this one is fresh.
Don't have anyone to give up for.
No? No, I don't even want this. You can just end it, please.
Which of you mean they give us?
Just end it. It will give me a copyright on my video. Mm. Which bank is this?
Pampe.
Pay. You said, did I have this at home? Huh?
What did you say?
You said, did I have it at home?
No, you don't have someone to give at home.
Oh, okay. I should take it soon, right?
I just feel it's scarce. Someone.
Yeah. Call it
91 57
9157
30
30
28
28
79.
79.
Thank you.
Joy.
Thank you.
700.
700.
Oh, okay. I think this cashless stuff is even better. Honestly. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. So guys, this palm wine. This palm wine, I bought it at a rate of 700 naira in Nigerian currency. And this, let me take a cup, you know. No, actually, when you want to take this kind of thing, this is a public service, so you have to take the last one. I think this should be the. Excuse me. Hello. Please, can you help me with this? With this toast cup.
What happened to it?
I want to take this one from the back. Because you know, normally I'm not supposed to touch these ones. So it should be. No, that's how it should be.
From down.
Yes, from down it's always done like this.
Is it a tradition?
No, it's so this is public service, is it not so? It's not public service. This public service.
Really understand, and I don't know. I never heard of that before.
Oh, you don't know? Hey. I just feel this palm wine has been long, guys. So you can see everything here is traditional, you know, in a local way. I think I left this guy somewhere. So, I'm just leaving now. Let me just go. You can see this one. This palm. Oh, I did not close this properly. This is really crazy. You can see that house there. It's a big house. But actually, that guy is greeting, waving at me, madam. So I'm just leaving the Lufasi Park. Let me just go and have a rest at home, and maybe possibly do other things and upload my videos. And you know, actually, the last time I lost one of my videos, and I'm unable just to recover it. So I think this time around I'll be more careful about my very careful with my camera, and just be careful about it. You can see this. Let me show this once more. See. So for shooting, I don't really know, maybe it should be sudden. So that area, this is how the inside of this place is. So let me go. Okay, boss. Okay guys, I'm just going. This is a very nice place for you to come and chill, have fun, relax yourself. It's really an amazing place. You can see I'm going with my palm wine. I'm going with my palm wine. I don't know, I've closed this and it's still, I don't know why. Okay guys, this way here and this way. Probably I should cross and take take the bus, the taxi to this place. So this, I'll put this inside the fridge so it will chill. So actually come and have yourself, have fun here. It's an amazing place, guys. Check out this palm wine. So I need to cross the other way in order for me to. There is Farah Park there. I think this is a big estate. See this is Farah Park. Let me just show you guys. Let me just go closer and show you. So it's not just far from there. Lufasi Park is not far at all. So I need to cross this way